Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Samsung S22 Ultra. I got this from Amazon Renewed. So I was able to put my AT&T SIM card in there, and I do have cell phone coverage and that Wi-Fi works. So the phone came in really good shape. I mean, there's just a few minor scuffs here and there. Nothing too bad. The lenses for the cameras are in really good shape. You know, the screen does have just kind of like a few very minor scratches if you kind of get it in your light just a little bit. And this is the green color. Works really nice. It's got this pin that pops out. The pin's in really good shape. Works good. There's the charging port. Now again, when you want to put the SIM card in there, there's two spots. Make sure you put the thing in that holder around the thing that pops out. Don't put it in that other hole. That's the microphone. It will damage it. So when you want to pop the SIM card in, put your paper clip in that hole right there, and that little tray will pop out. Okay, so I did go into the settings. It did require an update whenever I've got it, but I was able to update it, and it's got the latest security patch. So the main reason I got this is the phone has an amazing camera. So click on the camera icon, and I love the zooms here. So we got 1x, 3x, and then 30x, which really zooms in. And you can even go up to 100x. It gets a little grainy after that, but that is just really nice. I like being able to do that. So I hope this video helps. Again, I was able to put my AT&T SIM card in. I have AT&T cell phone coverage, and I can get AT&T text now. Thanks everybody for watching.